Travessa dos Ovos, dançam, égalés. Take a trip down to Travessa dos Ovos, égalés. Égalés, Travessa dos Ovos. Slices of Macau on an egg, égalé. Oh, 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 égalé. Do you want an egg? Égalé. Travessa dos Ovos, égalé. Slices of Macau on an egg, égalé.
Well, we're going to be starting this street out. We're going to be basically going over here to this Travessa dos Ovos. And it's kind of interesting because this follows the waterfront, and well, yeah, I guess that's interesting in itself. So we're going to go down out of here and go down this way and then follow this, and then we'll get to our target street, which is Ovos, the little alley that we're going to show today. Stay tuned. Okay, this is Ovos, Travessa dos Ovos. They have an outdoor restaurant right here, so it's kind of a nice little street. Yeah, I've actually ate here quite a while ago, and I didn't realize it was on this particular street. I was looking at streets that I haven't filmed in a while, or at all, and I think this was one of them, Travessa dos Ovos, and there's the street sign. So we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to film it and kind of show you around a little bit, including some of these buildings around here. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so there's the street sign, Travessa dos Ovos. Let me give you a little context to where we are. This street right here is called Cinco de Octubre, October 5th Street. So it's kind of a busy little street. And then not too far away, they did some, let me just walk down. This is our target street. We're gonna walk down this way in a minute. Before we do, well, all these buses have to get through here, and that blue car is a little bit stuck. Okay. So what I want to show you real quick is they did a like a revitalization project. So they painted all these buildings. So you'll see this one is red, yellow, orange, green, blue, yellow, blue. So they painted this whole block all the way around it. And there's actually some places, let me kind of walk in a little bit. We'll just see. So that's also places to eat right in here too. And that's called Fatoish. And you can also see some of the beautiful buildings right there as well. This street looks a little bit like the Ovos Street. Okay, let's go back. More of these alleys like that. Okay, so we're gonna go back to Ovos. So we got some fruit sales as well here. We're walking on October 5th Street. And this is our Travessa. Let me just see what this is real quick as well. It's just like a restaurant that, I don't know if that had some movie reference. But that's also right here in front of Ovos, in case somebody is familiar with that. Huh. Okay. So we are going to walk towards Ovos. This is our target street right here. right next to this beautiful blue building as well. Nice balconies. And this is the other way down to Cinco de October 5th Street. So let's go down Ovos. Kind of a nice, beautiful building. And we're gonna walk all the way down. Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of, so the street is kind of short. I think that's going to be the end of the street right there. So we're going to oops. This is kind of capture right in the middle. So that's where we're just at, all the way down. The nice little restaurant on the corner. Beautiful buildings. Even a tree growing up in there. Okay, so let's keep on going down this way. Okay, Ovos. I think that's some construction down at the end. Let me just see. We're doing welding. Okay, so we just came out the other side here. So let me just try to get across the street here. So I think this other street is Fatoish. So Ovo Street looks like that. Oh, and then we're actually not too far from this, let me just go around the corner real quick. I once, let me just kind of show you. Sao Domingo, so there's some tourist stuff that goes all the way up that way. Let's walk that way slightly. So that right there is one of the first churches in Macau, straight up that hill. Kamoish Park is not too far. And then this little building right here, I talked to the owner once. This is like a, they have a lot of other stuff, but rice was one of their things. And this street that we're on right now was known as Rice Street. And when I talked to him, he was showing me how they measured rice and how rice now is from all over the world. And how that business used to be more like local rice that would come in. And anyways, we're gonna go back down Oval Street. Travessa dos Ovos. And then we're gonna end our video. So hopefully you got another idea of what Macau streets look like. Getting a little bit dark. Yeah, and I think this menu has like a lot of different noodles and stuff like that. And it's all in Chinese if I remember right. So yeah. Hello. So, I think that's the menu right there. Okay. Looks good. That looks very good. One ton. So okay. So this is a little restaurant on Oval Street, which is right there, Travessa dos Ovos. And we're gonna end our video right there. Ovos. And if you're a little bit curious, most of Botana is kind of blocked by all of these kind of go all the way down. They block. They're like little ports all the way. So they follows this whole thing. But if you could overlook it, you can see this beautiful, beautiful ocean. And right over there is the Wanzai Coast, part of Zhuhai, China. And Pond 16 is down this way as well. Big hotel. But anyways, that's where we're basically down that way. And you can see the birds right there. Check those out. Another slice of Macau.
Travessa dos Ovo.